take out the front seats. Remove the rest of this carpet. Carpet replaced with like bolts. Shifter boots make it easier for the carpet to just pull straight back. Looks like it's a 10 mil. Just starting to check things over, and this is pretty cool. AC mode.
And now that intent is not a free pass.
Need new antenna. And the fan also works. Stripping out all the lights, all the panels off the back, labeling them and keeping them in boxes so I know where they go.